What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Home by Aries. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and if you do, click the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other free shit, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is in standard tuning, and you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. You're using 4 different chords, and they kind of repeat throughout the entire song. There is a little bit of a verse-chorus structure here, but I'll tell you the timestamps of where you're going to switch playing your chords. You're starting out with an E major chord. It's going to be 0, 2, 2, 1, 0, 0. Then you're going to use a B chord. It's going to be 0, 2, 4, 4, 0, 0. C sharp minor, 0, 4, 6, 6, 0, 0. And then an A, 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0. Now the beginning of the song is going E, B, A, B, and it's just repeating that. It's going to do that until 34 seconds when it's going to switch to E, B, C sharp minor, A. And then starting at 1 minute and 23 seconds, you're going back to the original E, B, A, B sequence. And that's going to go until minute marker 2:05 when it's going to go back into the E, B, C sharp minor, A. And then that just goes through until the end of the song. So watch that a couple times if you need to understand where the changes are going to happen. Once you get that down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be a simple down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down throughout the entire song. It looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The 2nd place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.